Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows registry error. So let's go quick into the process. So I will just share to you very simple resolutions for this. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD, which stands for Command Prompt. Then here you need to simply click on Run as Administrator. Then here we need to type sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now, which stands for system file checker. So what this command will do is that this will check for any integrity violations and then scan for and repair any system corrupt files. Now hit enter. And this process will take some time depending on your Windows, so there is no specific duration for this. But you just have to simply be patient on waiting for the command to be completed. Do not close out of this window unless it is completed. You can just simply minimize this but do not close this. And once this is completed, then close here. Then type CMD again in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. In here, type this command DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Hit enter. This process will also take some time depending on your Windows. And here's a tip: if you are stuck at a certain percentage, then you can just simply press the space key on your keyboard continuously until the process will continue. And once this is done, just simply close out of here and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the next method, click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system. Scroll down and you'll find recovery. Click on that. And here you'll find reset this PC. Click on reset PC. Then here's the thing. Make sure to back up all of your data, personal files, apps, and settings if you want to go or pursue with this next method to fix the issue. So simply back up everything. Click on remove everything. Then you have to click on cloud download and your PC will be restarted, and right after that you need to sign in again into your Windows and the problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.